हेलो एवरीवन, सो प्लीज़ वेलकम बैक ट्विंकल स्टडी क्लासेस। मैं लेकर आया हूँ क्लास 10th का साइंस का PYQ 2026 का। इसको डिस्कस करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि आज यानी कि 27 जून को आपका इंग्लिश एग्ज़ाम था, जो कि 9:30 AM में जो है स्टार्टिंग होना था। और आई थिंक कि आपका एग्ज़ाम ओवर हो चुका है और आई होप कि आपका एग्ज़ाम जो है अच्छा गया होगा। और उसके बाद अब सेकंड एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी भी आपको कस के कर लेनी है साइंस की। अगर कोई डाउट है आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हो। आई शेयर दिस PYQ साइंस, ओके, क्लास 10 का। सबसे पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं सेक्शन ए की। क्वेश्चन 1 से 18 वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन आते हैं, जो कि 1 मार्क्स के रहते हैं, जो कि ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में पूछे जाते हैं। Firstly, a person has difficulty reading close objects but can see distant objects clearly. His near point is 50 centimeter. What focal length of the lens would be suitable to help him read at 25 centimeter? Options: 25 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 75 centimeter. In which of the following medium the speed of the light is the fastest? Glass, water, air, and vacuum. Third, which of the following describe the correct application of a concave lens? Options: to correct hypermetropia, to converge light rays for a spotlight, to produce a virtual erect image for a people indoors, to magnetically small objects. Fourth, which of the following converts electrical energy into mechanical energy? Options: electric motor, generator, electric circuit, resistors. Fifth, at the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit reduces sustainability, does not change, increases heavily. Sixth की बात करेंगे हम. If a few drops of phenolphthalein are added to a solution and it turns pink, what does it indicate about the solution? The solution is acidic, solution is basic, solution is neutral, solution is saturated. Which among the following has higher melting point? NaCl, CaO, CaCl2, MgCl2. 8. What are the primary products of complete combustion of ethanol? Water and carbon monoxide, water and carbon dioxide. Oiling and painting is a common method to prevent rusting of iron because it increases the reactivity of iron. It changes iron's chemical properties. It forms a barrier between iron and moisturizer oxygen. It enhances the rate of oxidation. 10th, a convex lens has a focal length of 18 centimeter. What should an object to be placed it get an image of the same size as the object? Options: at 15 centimeter, 45 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 60 centimeter. 11th, which of the following non-metals is a liquid? Bromine, sulfur, carbon, phosphorus. In the human female reproductive system, the fertilization of the egg typically occurs in the uterus, ovaries, fallopian tube, cervix. 13. Vegetative propagation in plants is primarily used for producing seeds, reproduction, growing genetical identical offsprings, pollination. 14. Pesticides used in agriculture can harm top consumers in a food chain due to biomagnification, photosynthesis, decomposition, nitrogen fixation. Discussion of 15. While walking on a narrow lodge, Ron finds it challenging to balance. Which part of his brain is mainly responsible for coordinating the balance? Cerebrum, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata, cerebellum. उसके बाद 16 to 18 क्वेश्चन जो है assertions and reasons आते हैं, जैसे कि यहाँ पे A दिए A and R are true and R is a correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true but it is not the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. इस तरीके से जो है आपको आंसर्स बताने होते हैं। जैसे कि 16 बोलता है assertion in a series circuit the voltage across each resistor is different if the resistor have different values. रीजन में बोलते हैं same current flows through all resistors in a series circuit. 17th में amoeba reproduce through binary fission. Binary fission is a process where the organisms split into multiple daughter cells. 18. The pesticides can lead to biological magnification in a food chain. Pesticides accumulate in the bodies of organisms and increase in concentration at higher tropic levels. Let's discuss now section B. Section B में क्वेश्चन 19 to 28 आपके 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन रहेंगे। जैसे कि क्वेश्चन 19, नेम द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड्स। ये कंपाउंड्स दिए हैं, इनके नाम लिखने हैं, मिथेनॉल और आइडोप्रोपेन होगा। क्वेश्चन 20, why does the color of copper sulfate solution change when iron Al is dipped in it? Question 21, draw the magnetic field pattern around a current carrying current circular loop of wire. Question 22. Calculate the amount of work done in moving a charge of 2c across 2 points having a potential difference of 12 V. Question 23. Make a diagram to show how myopia is corrected. A person in a desert region notices that the sun appears to rise before the actual time of sunrise and sunset. After the actual time of sunset, what causes the apparent early sunrise and late sunset? Question 25. Give an example of a metal which is a liquid at room temperature, can be easily cut with knife, is the best conductor of heat, is a poor conductor of heat. Question 26. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Why does he shift the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? Question 27. For solution A, B, C and D, when tested with universal indicator showed pH as 5 to 13 and 7 respectively, which solution is? Options A हैं, आपको options में से correct कर लेना. Question 28. A person feels increased heartbeat and nervousness before giving a public speech. Which hormone is responsible for this physical change in the body? उसके बाद सेक्शन सी की बात करेंगे जिसमें 29 to 37 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, जिसमें 9 क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. विद इन इंटरनल चॉइस भी आपको जो है इनमें दी जाती है और 3 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस जो हैं आपको रहते हैं. क्वेश्चन 29 की बात करेंगे. वाई आर कोइल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक टोस्टर्स एंड इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन्स मेड ऑफ एन alloy rather than a pure metal? चॉइस दी है 100 joule of heat is produced each second in a 4 ohm resistance. Find the potential difference across the resistor. क्वेश्चन 30 की बात करेंगे. स्टेट द रूल टू डिटरमाइन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ए फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस बाय करंट कैरिंग स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर प्लेस्ड इन ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू इट. साथ आपको चॉइस मिली है. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ एन अर्थ वायर? व्हाई इज इट नेसेसरी टू अर्थ मेटालिक अप्लायंसेस? क्वेश्चन 31. Why do copper objects develop a greenish layer then express to moist for a long time but a balanced chemical equation for this reaction? Why is baking soda used in baking? Write the chemical equation for its decomposition. Question 32. What are amphoteric oxides? Give 2 examples of amphoteric oxides. Choice में मिला है differentiate between roasting and calcination with the examples. Question 33. Draw a label diagram of human excretory system. Options में है make a diagram of human alimentary canal, label it. Question 34. How do auxins promote the growth of a triangle around a spot? How are involuntary actions and reflex actions different from each other? Question 35. DNA copying is an essential part of the process of reproduction. Why? Options में है what are the advantages of sexual reproduction and our sexual reproduction. Discuss question 36. A pure tall pea plant TT is crossed with a pure short pea plant, which will be the phenotypic and genotypic ratios of the pea after generation. Show the cross. Options में है how is the of a cell determined in humans. Question 37. A factory dumps untreated waste in a nearby river, affecting aquatic life and the local population. Suggest measures to prevent such pollution. Choice में मिला हुआ है. An NGO launches a campaign to reduce the use of chemical fertilizers and promote organic farming. How can farmer be encouraged to adopt organic farming? So अब हम बात करते हैं सेक्शन डी की, जिसमें क्वेश्चन 38 से 40 आते हैं. 3 लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, उसमें इंटरनल चॉइस दी होती है आपको और 5 मार्क्स के आते हैं. और सबसे पहले लाइट चैप्टर फिजिक्स पे आते हैं. Draw a ray diagram to show the image formation by a convex lens when the object is placed at f1, the object is placed between f1 and 2f1, the object is placed at 2f1. What will be the power, position, nature and size of the image in each case? Options में an object 5.0 is length is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Find the position of the image's nature and size. So, question 39. What are hydrocarbons? With the help of suitable examples, explain. Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Options में what are soaps? Explain the mechanism of cleansing action of soaps. Question 40. What is heterotrophic nutrition? Describe the different types of heterotrophic nutrition with examples. Options में explain the role of xylem and phloem in transportation. How does transpiration help the upward movement of water? So ये जो है आपको क्वेश्चंस जो हैं आने वाले हैं फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो से लॉन्ग में. सो ये पूरा पेपर रहा है आपका 2026 साइंस का क्लास 10th का. फर्दर डाउट्स के लिए आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए अपने दोस्तों तक भी इस वीडियो को शेयर करना. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फॉर दिस वीडियो.